All right, guys, so we are behind the scenes right now. We are taking a product shot of the new electrolytes for serious performance, and then we're going to take it, bring it over to Photoshop and play around with generative fill. I already played around with one of them, so I'm just showing you the behind the scenes of this one. We got the camera here. I'm going to go ahead, take a shot of this one. Boom. Okay, now we're going to take it over to the computer. Sure, this is screen recording. Should be screen recording. Okay. All right, guys, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to export it into Lightroom because I'm not the most advanced when it comes to Photoshop yet. So we come over here and I'm going to hit the auto, brighten it up a little bit. I already like where it's at. Just going to see if I can find one more final touch here. I don't want to lose the color. Honestly, I like where it's at already. So we're just going to close that off. It's going to detect the subject. Boom. Okay. I'm just going to make the texture a little bit higher, clarity a little bit higher, and then we will contrast it just a little bit. All right, now from here, I'm going to crop it, custom crop, custom, boom, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, enter. All right, let me just heal this piece right here real quick. All right, this is good to go. I'm going to export it in small. Drop it there. Beautiful. Let's just bring that down. It's here on the desktop. We're going to go back to Photoshop, File, New. Same here, 1080 by 1920. Click it. All right, now we're going to drag that sucker over. Let's scale it appropriately to what we want. Boom, boom. Right there should be fine. All right, done. Let's go ahead and remove the background. It does a pretty good job at that already. Now from here, select subject. There we go. Now the subject is selected, but you want to invert it, which is this button right here. We invert it, and you'll know it's inverted by the outlining of the background right there. Now we're going to hit generative fill. I'm going to put this one, since it's watermelon, front view of a field of watermelons with some cut up watermelons in the foreground. Let's see what it generates for us. It's going to be like a trial and error here. Like you got to test it out because sometimes it comes out wonky. See, like the bag came out wonky here. Nah. All right, so none of these work. All right, guys, so the first one we did was not working, plus the boss man did not like it. He said it was too AI, so now we went back to the drawing board and I did 3 other different styles here. As you can see, let's backtrack. This is the first one I did. Started off with just the product, and then we started doing the AI Generative Fill, giving it some things here. I said this one, front view of the product on a marble table with cut up watermelon and glass full. It gave me this, and then we just fine-tuned the edges of the bag, as you can see. Boom, boom. So the edges of the bag got cleaned up, and then I decided to add like this watermelon piece here for this dead space. So this was variation 1. Then we went on to variation 2. This one's kind of like, I don't know, a little cartoonish, but we'll see. Just another variation, right? Again, boom, boom, boom. Original. This one, I ended up feeding it a picture that we got off of Pinterest, and I wanted it to kind of be similar. But then you see here, the glass is kind of cartoonish, and then the bag is also messed up. So we fine-tuned it some more. We made it into a real glass with some ice on the side, and then we fixed the bag up as well. So this was variation 2. again, the more you're gonna have to play around with it. The more you feed it, the more it will generate for you, and also you can take reference pictures and drop it in here for it to help you. And then the last one was this one. Let's backtrack again. Boom. I started off with just a product here, and then we generated it with glass cup filled with watermelon on the right side, watermelon in the background, and background color is pink/red. I fed it another picture from Pinterest. It generated this, and then I just fine-tuned the bag and also added a plastic scoop at the bottom. Hold on, actually, let me backtrack. No. So where was it? Because I had to redo a few things here. So as you guys can see, it was this, but this plant looked kind of eh. So we regenerated it, and it gave us this, and then we added the plastic scoop with some white powder in it, which is the electrolytes. And then we just fixed the scoop up, and then this is the third generated one that we got here. So yeah, guys, hopefully the boss man likes this, and hopefully you guys got some value out of it, and hit that thumbs up, try it out, let me know what goes on in your world when you do it, and until the next one, peace.